The fact that it took me 0.2 seconds to put on this wig is what I'm living for right now. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lydia Stanley, and if you're not new, thank you so much Butterfly for coming back to my video today. In today's video I have a very amazing wig to show you. It's from Beaufox Hair and it's their headband wig. Listen, this hair took me 0.2 seconds to install it, and it was simply the most easy hair I've ever put on my head. It is so soft, it curls super easy, and it's very lightweight. Like, it's the perfect everyday wig. This is my first headband wig and I am so elated because it was so easy to install. All I had to do was do my edges, which you're going to see in the video already, and just put this on. I still have my twist, my natural hair twist under here. Unbelievable, right? All the links to this amazing hair will be in my description box in case you want to get one for you, because I feel like every girl, you know, the way you have that black dress, you need one headband wig. It's not all the time you want to be doing frontal or closure. Like, this is literally in any condition your hair is, just put this and tie it down. Let me stop the chatter. If you want to see how I got this amazing install, I wouldn't even call it an install, but please keep on watching. Give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the video. So the hair is from Beaufox Wigs, like I said, and it just comes in this beautiful chrome pink packaging. First thing you see when you open the box is the hair, of course, and I'll show you that in a bit. But after that, we have this flyer. It just shows you, you know, cashbacks. There's like if you want to make a video for them or something, that's what's there. It also has a wig cap, and this hair is their 22-inch headband wig, and it comes in this body wave form naturally. It has 3 clips inside, and it also has a grip, the headband grip itself, in black. Just putting on my wig cap, I'm showing you that I have my twist in, and I'm just putting on my wig cap just so that my hair lays flat. I already wet my hair yesterday and put it flat and packed it all back. That's how I was able to lay flat and gentle like this. But then I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges first. What's good for my hair? My hair does not lay flat with just anything, and I really want these edges to be really pretty today, so we're going to take our time. I'm not going to bring out all the hair I have because I have a lot of hair, so I'm just going to do that really quickly and I'll be right back. This hair is super easy to install. Like, I'm so excited, you don't even understand. My front hair is so much that sometimes I don't even know what to honestly do with it. It's so much and it is so thick. Like, if I really pull out the baby hairs that is meant to be there, it will be a lot. I'm just going to put my wig cap forward and kind of use that to pull the hair back. Now that I've done it, I'm just going to go ahead and put this silk scarf. Just so, if you have natural hair, this is a tip for you, just to make your hair, you know, just lay really flat. You want to go ahead and tie something on it while you're trying to lay your edges. I put this on my head just to add like extra tension on the scarf. I'm going to give this a few minutes just to dry down. But while it's drying down, you guys, look at how beautiful this hair is. It is so beautiful, straight out of the box. Look at that bounce. And this is 22 inches like I mentioned already. I'm so excited. You know how you just need those wigs to just put on your head and just be on the go? This is that wig, and it's not every time that, you know, you have time for frontals. I even used to DIY headband wigs. I'll just move my frontal to the back, like if I put on a wig, I'll move it back a bit, bring out my edges, and tie a black scarf on the tip of the frontal. Trust me, it will save you a ton of time to get a wig like this. So let's just try it on and see. It feels really snug on my head, really snug. I think my main thing is I want to keep it like all back, but I also want to put curls in it, if that makes sense. So it's a very beautiful hair. Wow, wow, it's very beautiful. Can you see how it's like jumping back with the, it's very bouncy. Wow. Okay, so while my hair is setting, I'm just going to go ahead and put curls in it. So this is what the hair is looking like. I just went ahead and finished curling it. It's super bouncy. I'm just going to go ahead and take this part out. Yeah, this is what we're going for with the hair. Okay, so before I fix that, let me just make sure that the pins enter where they're supposed to be so that it feels very snug. All 3 pins. Then I'm just going to hook this at the back. It's just a Velcro. Just make it as tight or as loose as you want it. So I'm okay with that. And that's it, your wig is installed. It's the most simple thing to do ever. I'm telling you. Take out your ears, of course. Or you can leave your ears behind it, if that's what rocks your boat. But honestly, nah, this is so beautiful. The fact that it took me 0.2 seconds to put on this wig is what I'm living for right now. Trust me, every girl needs this kind of quick wigs in their collection. So this is what it looks. That's it, my love. This hair is so amazing. I love it so much. It's very easily my favorite wig. I've worn this severally already and I so enjoy it. It's very lightweight. You know how Nigeria right now is super hot, but this does not give me any heat because I can't even feel it on my hair. It's that light. I'm not feeling anything. The headband is super comfortable. It's all around an amazing wig. You saw how easy, amazingly easy, like if there was ever a beginner wig, this is it. And it is so soft, so like bouncy, so nice. Oh my goodness, I have a new favorite wig that I'll be wearing every single time. This hair came all the way down like my bra length, and it is so you know, fluffy, very, very wavy. I hope you saw that. You know, my camera can like to not be in focus sometimes. And if I haven't mentioned in the video already, it's 100% human hair. It took me like about 20 minutes or 15 minutes to get it curled up, and the curls are holding well. I didn't put anything in the hair, no products, no spray, nothing. I just curled it with my curling wand, and that's it. I really like this wig. I really enjoy this install. This is my first headband wig and I was not disappointed at all. I really look cute, if I do say so myself. Let me know what you think about this wig in the comments. In case you like what you saw and you'd like to purchase this hair, I have all the links in my description, so click down below and check. There's also a discount code for you in case you want to try it out. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. Okay, bye.